Ano ba mag-reorder ng checkbook? So, pag magre-reorder ka lang, meron dong stop, checkbook reorder stop. You just need to fill out that form, affix your signature kung ikaw yung authorized signatory. Then, you can also nominate an authorized representative doon sa form. Then, you just need to submit it to the bank. But there are banks that can accommodate online requests ng checkbook reorder. So, you can just coordinate with your bank and make sure na na-receive nila yung request para wala tayong magkaroong problem na hindi nila na-receive yung request or what. So, some banks then usually confirm if you do it online. So, may charge siya, automatic siyang ibabawas doon sa account. So, make sure na may fund yung account mo. And usually, standard processing nito is depende sa bank, but usually after a week or 2 weeks, max, magkakaroon ka na ng checkbook mong order. So, yun lamang guys. And kung may marami pa kayong tanong about checkbook or checking account, just comment down